Hi students, welcome to e-lecture of BCom Computers and General, first unit of Financial Accounting, that is Bills of Exchange. Okay, so I already told that in our second semester, the subjects are English second language, basic computer skills for 40 marks, Financial Accounting 2, which we are studying with 80 and 20 marks, business law, programming with C and C++, computer paper. So our Financial Accounting 2 having 5 units, that is Unit 1 Bills of Exchange, Unit 2 Consignment Accounts, Unit 3 Joint Venture Accounts, Unit 4 Accounts from Incomplete Records, that is the Single Entry System, Unit 5 Accounting for Non-Profit Organizations, that is non-trading organizations. Consignment accounts, single entry, non-trading, we studied at intermediate level. Again, those were introduced in the syllabus for non-commerce students. Okay, this is 5 units, and already I told you about the marks. So our subject marks are 80 marks conducted by university for 3 hours with 5 credits, and 20 are internal, 15 internal, 2 internals are there, 5 is for assignment. That is our Financial Accounting 2 paper. So what exactly the Bills of Exchange is? It is a written document containing an unconditional order directing a person to pay a sum of money to the order of certain a person or to the bearer of the instrument. Bill of exchange was written against the money due by buyer to the seller. Seller will sold goods to buyer, and buyer postpone the payment. For postpone the payment, he assured a bill of exchange, which was written by the seller. In future, he is called as a drawer of the bill. So on that document which was written by the drawer or seller, which is in written with an unconditional order, directing the drawer is directing a person to pay sum of money. Drawer is directing a drawee. You have to pay this sum of money to me or to the person I ordered or to bearer of the instrument. So that is called Bill of Exchange, which comes under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. This is a model bill and one more other model bill. Look at this. The amount was given, stamp it is, and duration of the bill is 3 months, which was mentioned in written also, and signature of the acceptor. Messrs. Agrawal Stores is acceptor. Acceptor in the sense buyer. Lakshmi Chand Sons is seller. So Lakshmi Chand Sons prepared a bill with an unconditional order directing Agrawal Stores to accept to pay sum of, that is 10,000 money after certain duration to him or the person to whom he ordered or the bearer of the instrument. This is explained with the help of definition. And the content of the bill, date, look at the date of the bill. It was mentioned 5th May 2012, date of the bill. Another one is term of the bill. In first sentence itself, the term of the bill was mentioned that 3 months. Date, content of the bill are compulsory, these to be there. Date, term, amount 10,000, which was given in numbers as well as words 10,000. Another one is the stamp, parties. Look at the stamp here, parties. Here is acceptor. Another one is a drawer. These are the content of the bill. So date, term, amount, stamp and parties. These are the contents of the bill. Compulsory these to be there on the bill. Next, features of the bill. It is a written document signed by the maker and having unconditional order and to be pay money or money only. It has to be directed to pay money only, not other than money. And it should be specific, amount should be specific and the time period should be there. And the drawee must be clearly mentioned. Name of the drawee means to whom he is paying. To whom he is paying has to be clearly mentioned in that bill. And it must be dated and stamped. So date is compulsory to define the term, and another one is grace days, and stamp for legal authority or legal sanctity. So these are the features. And parties already explained. Drawer who draws the bill. So in our known language, he is sold goods. Drawee who accepts the bill and return to drawer. In our known language, he is a buyer. And payee who receives the money. Here we have to understand one logic. Buyer accept the bill and send to drawer. Drawer is has to pay money to somebody. So drawer may endorse the bill to some other third party. So now the bill is with some other third party. That person will ask drawee, our drawee or buyer, to pay the money on due date because drawee signed or accepted the bill. So whenever the maturity date comes, he will receive the money. Third party will receive the money. So in this case, payee will be either drawer or some other person or bearer of the instrument. So there are three parties. One is drawer, drawee, payee. Advantage of the bill is this is used for settlement of debts. Even banks or large organizations with huge amounts, they may postpone the payment or they sold goods on credit for security purpose. They will accept the bills and send to the makers or seller. For time being, these amounts will be settled by payment against the bills. And we must very clearly known the date of payments to the drawee and the date of receipts also known by the drawer, because the bill must have date and bill must have a term. Based on that, we come across with the date of maturity. So by adding 3 grace days, we surely know the date of receipt for the drawer, date of payment for the drawee. It is a written and signed acknowledgement of debt. Okay, so the debts were settled through the written documents with stamp and signature. So that's why it is acknowledgement of debt. The debtor enjoys full period of credit. 3 months, 4 months time period was given. So the debtor is free. He need not worry about for the payment till the date of maturity. Once the date of maturity arises, then our debtor may pay the money. He will enjoy the credit period. And the drawer can convert the bill into cash by getting it discounted with the bank. So one facility to the drawer or seller is in between the credit period, if money is required, then automatically he will get discounted with the bank for getting the cash before the time period. Types of the bill: payable at sight, on demand or presentation, payable after certain time in the future. It is also known as a term bill. Means payable at sight means that is a check like that. Okay, so with a blank check which was written amount and immediately you can go to bank and ask about money. And if it is a post dated check, you have to wait for the time period. So that is the difference between two bills. Payable at sight means whenever it was presented, he has to pay the money, or whenever he asked by a sell drawer asked the money against the bill, drawer has to pay. And if it has a time period, duration is there, if the bill is having a time period, and after completion of the term only amount to be paid. So actually we have to record the journal entries or transactions in the books of drawer, drawee and endorsee. Three parties are there. We learned and who is endorsee later. So all these situations we will draw the journal entries and prepare ledger accounts if necessary in the books of drawer and drawee, or if we asked in the examination only drawer, only in the books of drawer only. The situations are honor of the bill. Honor of the bill means on the due date, drawee will pay the money. Discounting the bill. Already we learn in advantage of the bill. If the bill is discounted with the bank, we have to pass one journal entry in the books of drawer. That is the situation. And dishonor of the bill. If the bill is dishonored, bill may be dishonored in three cases. One is wait till waiting for a time period. If the bill is discounted, if the bill is endorsed. Okay, in these cases, if the bill is dishonored, we have to pass journal entries in the books of drawer, drawee and endorsee. Another one is endorsement of the bill. The bill was endorsed to the other creditor against the credit of the drawer or who is holding the bill. Renewal of the bill. If the on maturity date, drawee will approach the drawer. I will renew the bill by making a part payment, or I will renew the bill along with the interest amount of the past period or bill period. So any procedure will be followed or according to the drawee's convenience, and a new bill will be drawn. Retirement of the bill. So this is quite opposite to the renewal of the bill. If the drawee is having sufficient money, he will approach the drawer before the term period and asks, I am having money, I will pay the bill amount before the term of the bill or before the due date. So for that purpose, drawer will allow some rebate or discount. So he is getting money before the due date, and drawee is getting some amount discount for payment of money before the due date. So this concept, accommodation of bills, is a new concept or innovative concept of generating money between the two parties. So A draw the bill on B, B accepts the bill and draw the bill on A. A will discount the bill with the bank, B will discount the bill with the bank. Now A got money, B got money. After 3 months time period of the two bills, A will pay the money to bank which he accepted of the B bill, and B will pay to the bank which he accepted against the bill of A. So for 3 months, A got the money, B got the money, and after 3 months, A honored the bill and B honored the bill. So situations arises when A is unable to pay the money, when B is unable to pay the money. So for that purpose, we pass journal entries. Okay, these are the various situations which we are going to pass journal entries. Few journal entries also I selected for your reference. Please note down and by heart. Okay, so bill retained till the maturity period. If the bill is having till the maturity period, drawer will receive the money, bank account data to bills receivable account. And the drawer will pay the money, bills payable account data to bank account. If the bill is discounted with the bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account in the books of drawer, and there is no way concerned to the drawee. That's why no entry in the books of drawee. If the bill is dishonored on maturity and we are reversing the journal entry, earlier it is bills receivable to drawee account, now we are returning it, reversing it with the noting charges. Drawee account data to bills receivable account to bank account. Okay, so he will pay the money to bank noting charges. And in the books of drawee, bills payable account data, noting charges account data to drawer account. If the bill is endorsed, drawee account data to endorsee account. And there is no entry in the books of drawee. That drawee account data to endorsee account is dishonored, that is bill dishonored. Okay, endorsed bill dishonored. And another one is in the books of drawer, renewal of the bill. These journal entries are for renewal of the bill. Old bill is cancelled. Acceptor, drawee account data to bills receivable account. Old bill is cancelled, bills payable account data to drawer account. And part payment is received, cash account data to drawee account. And part payment is made, drawer account data to cash account. And if any interest amount is received, cash account data to interest account data to cash account. If interest is due, okay, interest account data, drawee account data to interest account, and interest account data to drawer account. And for the new bill, bills receivable to drawee account and drawer account data to bills payable account. We will understand this renewal of the bill. So A draw the bill for 4,000 rupees on B for 3 months. Now the bill is with A, B accepted the bill. 3 months is over and B approached the A, brother, I will pay 2,000 rupees. I cannot pay 3,000 rupees. I will pay 2,000 rupees. And for the 1,000 amount, interest amount and the part payment 1,000, I will accept a new bill. So that's why old bill 3,000 is cancelled for the 3 months time period. And 2,000 amount is received. And if interest is received 100 rupees, directly we will write cash, or if it is interest is due, we will write acceptor B account data to interest account. Suppose 100 rupees. Now out of 3,000, 2,000 is paid, 1,000 is principal amount, 100 is interest. If it is due, 1,100, new bill is accepted. Okay, these are the journal entries. Okay, so we will. So first problem, fourth problem, fifth one, sixth, seven short answer questions we discussed. Now we are going to do long answer questions. Long answer questions. Question number 1. The first problem itself is started with the dishonor. Even though we did the dishonor in short answer questions, we know the journal entries how to pass for dishonor. So in this problem number 1, we try to identify the contents of the bill. So first content is date, that is 1st November 2016. Next one is term of the bill, 4 months. And the next one is parties. Ranjit accepted means he is drawee. Drawn by Alok means drawer is Alok. Okay, amount of the bill is 500. Now we have to pass journal entries in the books of Alok drawer, Ranjit drawee. We will go through the total problem. 1st November 2016, Ranjit accepted a bill for 500 at 4 months drawn by Alok. On 4th November 2016, Alok discounted the bill at 6% per annum with his banker. So I already prepared the problem, just I will explain. Bill is received by Alok, bills receivable account data. From whom it is received? Ranjit. 500 bills of exchange or bills receivable drawn. Alok is accepted. Alok account data to bills payable account 500. On November 4, it is clear bill is discounted with the bank. So bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Discount I am calculating like this. Bill amount is 500. Rate of interest is 6% into term of the bill per annum is 4 months. Okay, 500 into 6% means 6 by 100, 0.06 into 4 by 12. So the amount is 10 rupees. So bank will give the money to Alok less by 10 rupees. That is 490 received and 10 rupees is discount. Another one is bills receivable account. No way, Ranjit is no way concerned with the discount. Now the bill is dishonored. So bill was dishonored by Ranjit. He has to bear the noting charges. So dishonor entry is bills payable account data, noting charges account data to Alok account 515. But the bill is discounted with bank. On behalf of Ranjit, Alok will pay to bank. That amount is 515. He will pay to bank. Okay, that is journal entries. BY is dishonored and amount paid to bank along with the noting charges. And BYP, bills payable, is dishonored. Clear? Problem number 1 is clear, I think. Okay, we check with the transactions. Bill drawn, bill discounted, bill dishonored, noting charges recorded. 3A, he is asking you to prepare different situations. You try your level best and share in WhatsApp. Okay, now I will check the problem and I will inform you whether it is correct or not or any corrections. 3B, second problem also you try your level best. 3B, there are 3 bills are there. On 1st July 2016, X sell goods to Y for 4,200 and draws 3 bills on him. The first bill for 700, 1 month duration. Second bill for 1500 for 2 months duration. Third bill is 2000 for 3 months duration. Y accepts and return these 3 bills. First we have to record X is the drawer, Y is the drawee. C and RC we will take later once we look at into the problem. Okay. So X sold goods to Y account data to sales account, and Y purchased goods from X purchase account data to X account. X draw the three bills. Bills receivable 1 for 700, bills receivable 2 for 1500, bills receivable 3 for 2000 to Y account 4200. BY bills drawn on Y. And bills payable 3 bills receivable to X and 3 bills payable to Y. Bills receivable 1 account data, bills payable Y account data, X account data to X account data, 2 bills payable 1 account, 2 bills payable 2 account, bills payable 3 account. Okay, 3 bills are accepted by Y. It's okay. Now we will move to problem. What happens? Second paragraph. The first bill is retained by X till the maturity. So first bill 700 is with X only. Second bill is endorsed to X to his creditor by X to his creditor Z on 3rd July 2016, and the third bill is sent to bank for collection on 4th July 2016. We will draw journal entries for second bill and third bill. So second bill is 1500 is endorsed to Z. Z account data to bills receivable account, and BYR2 is endorsed to Z. So we have to open separately for Z name in the name of the Z. In the name of Z. He is endorsing. Z is a endorsee. Z account. So Z is receiving bill from X. For him, bills receivable to account data to X account, B by R received. And on July 4th, another bill is just a moment. Bill is endorsed to Z. And the third bill is sent to bank for collection. So entry is bill sent to bank for collection account data to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. Okay. So there is no entry in the books of drawing. Now all three bills are dishonored. 700, 1500 along with the noting charges. First the dishonor is happened by drawing itself. So we will reverse the entry along with the noting charges. Bills payable account data to X account along with the noting charges 707. Okay, right. And Y account data to bills receivable account. We cancel the bills receivable received 707. Second bill is endorsed by X to Z. So first Y is dishonoring the bill. Bills payable to account data to X account 1515. And in the books of Z, he will rewrite the debt, and by paying noting charges X account data to bills receivable account to bank account, he will pay 15 rupees, and X due is 15 rupees in the books of Z. Now he has to receive from Y, X has to receive from Y and have to pay to Z. That's why Y account data to Z account in the books of X journal entries. Okay, and the third bill was dishonored by Y, bills payable 3 account data to X account, and that bill was sent to bank for collection. That's why Y account data to bill sent to bank for collection account. Okay, this is the problem number 3A. Okay, right. Now we will look at the problem number 4. Simple problem. Even though endorsement is there, it's very easy because endorsement problems till now 2 problems we did. Fourth problem is Mohan owes Shyam rupees 4000. 1st January Mohan accepted the 3 months bill for 3,900. Who accepted the bill? Mohan. So Mohan is a acceptor or a drawee, and Shyam is a drawer. For the amount of 4,000, Mohan draw for 3,900. So for 3,900 bill amount, 100 rupees is a discount amount. Total Mohan due is 4,000. 100 rupees. Same manner we have to write. Amount has to pay to Shyam is 4,000 and 3,900 bill. Discount gain is 100 rupees. BYR received, BYP accepted. In between, this transaction is in between Shyam and Mohan. Now what happened? On the same date, it was endorsed by Shyam to Gyan. Now the third party, another party is coming into picture. For 3,980 debt. So bill amount is 3,900, but Gyan here, Shyam has to pay to Gyan. Gyan is how much amount? 3,980. 80 rupees is gain to Shyam, and Gyan is receiving bill of 3,900. Loss is 80 rupees out of 3,980 due from Shyam. Mohan accepted the bill and returned to Shyam. Shyam endorsed the bill to Gyan. Now the bill is with Gyan. On the due date, the bill is dishonored. So the bill 3,900 bill, which is accepted by the Gyan, which is accepted by the Mohan is dishonored. Okay. Now the entry is bills payable account data to discount account. Bills payable account data, discount account data to Shyam account. Out of 4,000, 3,900 bills payable is dishonored. That's all. So now the due is how much amount? Due amount is how much? 4,000. Out of 4,000, how much discount is being cancelled? 100. And Gyan due is how much? 3,980. Out of 3,980, discount is how much cancelling? 80. So now we are cancelling two discounts and we are writing due from Mohan and due to Gyan account. And here the bill is dishonored. Shyam account data to discount to bills receivable account 3,900. Okay. So you can reverse the video once or twice and note down the problem. Before that, look at the video also. Okay students, bye.